Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're diving into Sketch, a vector-based design tool found at sketch.com. Sketch has become a popular choice for designers, particularly those focused on UI/UX design for websites, mobile apps, and other digital interfaces. Its vector-based nature allows for infinitely scalable designs, maintaining crisp details regardless of size. This is crucial for adapting designs to different screen resolutions and devices. Sketch offers a streamlined and intuitive interface, making it relatively easy to learn, even for beginners. It boasts a wide array of features including powerful vector editing tools, artboards for managing multiple designs within a single document, and symbol libraries for creating reusable design elements. These symbols ensure consistency across your project and dramatically speed up the workflow. Beyond its core functionality, Sketch supports a vibrant plugin ecosystem, extending its capabilities even further. Plugins can streamline tasks like exporting assets, generating design specifications, and even integrating with other design tools. This flexibility makes Sketch a highly adaptable platform suitable for diverse design projects. One of Sketch's key strengths lies in its collaborative features. Designers can easily share their work with others, gather feedback, and iterate on designs collaboratively. This streamlines the design process and fosters effective teamwork. While historically a macOS exclusive, Sketch has expanded its accessibility through cloud-based collaboration options. While it offers a robust free trial, it's important to note that Sketch operates on a paid subscription model. Potential users should consider this pricing structure when evaluating the tool against other design software options. However, for many designers, the features, performance, and community support justify the investment. Sketch has undoubtedly carved its place as a leading design tool in the industry, and its focus on digital design makes it a compelling choice for anyone working in the UI/UX space. For more detailed information and tutorials, be sure to check out the resources available on the official Sketch website.